Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. So not quite, I think it's like Black Friday sale, has all my hauls like here. So let's open this box up and we'll see what it is. I will do all the noisy parts behind the scenes, okay? And we'll be back. So here it is. It arrived in like record time, 3 days. So I have to quickly unbox it because the return period is 14 days. Oh my gosh. I can smell it from the plastic bag, from behind the plastic bag. All right. It's something I've wanted for a while, and this bag is like, it's pre-loved. It hasn't been used, but it's almost full set. I hope the size works because I feel like the bigger size is a bit too big. So it is this one, and we know what it is. Oh, oh my gosh. It's, I think, such a cute little size. It's adorable. And look, the plastic thing is still covering, is still on the little tag. And it's, yeah, from this place, they do bag spying as well. And I've seen a review of this size. And this, I really wanted this color because the other one that I wanted was bigger. And it is the lime green color. But this is the Bottega Veneta green. And I really wanted like the icon color. Not that it mattered, but I think, yeah, it's not a huge bag. It's not very wide. Ordinarily, I like something with a little bit of width. And here is the Bottega Veneta card. Okay, I don't know why I'm sniffing this. The inside, yes, it's unlined. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little basket. So now this is good because I kind of like it like this because there's another way that, oh, I can't undo this, can I? Oh, well. Oh, we just have to leave it on. I don't think I'm going to return it. I think I love it. So you're going to have to like do this. Oops, no. You can bring the ball down. Oh, the zip is very good. Did you see that? Nice. You can bring it down and then it's supposed to be like a dumpling shape. I think this is getting in the way. So it's supposed to be once it's full. So we need to see, oops, no, yeah, like this. I love a little armpit bag. So we need to put something in it to see if it takes that shape of a dumpling. Okay, so I've got, let's say, what have I got in there? It's just one too many things, possibly. 2 lipsticks is more than enough. 1 lip balm, eye drops. Let's just say, so this is what I routinely take with me. And I need to go get my sunglasses and also wallet. Be right back. Okay, so I got my palm-sized wallet. In it goes. Let's say I have my car keys and sunglasses in this soft case. Perfect, I think. Oh, wow. Yeah, it fits everything and it's not too bulky. Oh, I love it like that. Rather than have it, so the other way is to hold, like to do this. Oh no, this thread is in the way. And then it becomes like a dumpling shape. But I don't know if I like it like in a dumpling shape. That was like not really very dumplingy. I think because the leather is new. Okay, so this is good. I like it like that. Nice and flat. Yeah, I like a good shoulder bag. Really, really lovely. Oh my goodness. The green. Now, yeah, it's such a vivid, like, grass green, I suppose you could call it. They make really good colors with their bags, you know. I love this so much. I feel like I want to go and get the larger size now. I don't know. I need to go and try it out. I love this bag. Oh my goodness. I think this is such a good little size. Yeah. Quite a fair bit without being bulky. I think it's, yeah, really beautiful. And it came at such a good price. Whereas like if I were to buy the one that I had my eye on, that's not pre-loved, it's like, yeah, quite a lot of money. And I kind of want to put that money towards a classic bag that I'm sort of trying to buy on Japanese eBay right now. But when it arrives, I'll show it to you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this bag, let me measure it out for you guys. I think this is a good day to night bag. So like these days, I'm trying to find bags that are day to night, that I can wear day to night. Yeah, you know, so that I don't have to go out and buy an evening bag, so to speak. But okay, so 28 centimeters at the top, so that's fairly big. 11 inches, so that means at the bottom from here to here it's 20, okay, maybe hang on, let me get this right, 25. So that's what generally the measurements are, about 25. And 16 centimeters this way, which is 6.5 inches tall. I think it's good. Like, I don't generally carry more. Like, if I bring my own laptop, then I'll have a dedicated laptop bag, or I just chuck everything in my laptop bag anyway. But generally, I don't have to bring my own laptop to work. I'm supplied with laptop, but every now and again I need to bring my own just to have a second device. Sometimes I work off 2 devices, but yeah, but then, you know, but I would, like, this is what I'll need to go to work. Oh, and you know, plus like my card and my work keys. That's all it is, and it will fit comfortably in here. My goodness, this is better than I thought I was going to return it. Oh my goodness. I thought I might have to return it. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Okay, let me just like march out quickly. Okay, this is going to be a very short video, but I think, yeah, that's good. I'm trying to make shorter videos. Okay, march out. See, it's perfect. It's under my arms and doesn't stick out like that. I like it. It's really, really good. Yeah. Oh, and then it's nice this way, day to night. Probably not black tie, but for like a cocktail party, yeah, sure, why not? And I don't even have to change out my bag, right? Oh, good. I love it. Oh, let's smell it again. Oh, it's lovely. What a lovely smell. Lovely leather smell. I know some people will say that like they prefer bags lined, but I don't really mind, to be honest. It's just the other side of the leather. I get it that it might feel like it might dirty the inside, but this is a relatively easy shape. I think I might just make up my own bag liner from here. I think, yeah, definitely. And it's a good height that I can even put my wallet standing up. And then of course there still needs to be a space for a phone. As I said, oh look, let's just say I always forget to put my phone in there because I use my phone for filming. And this is, I just have an iPhone 13 mini, and this is a little frame that's about the shape of my phone in there. Yeah, I think that just doesn't take up too much bulk. That's great. I love it already. Oh, such a cute summer bag to go with. Oh, right. I took out a few things and I sort of flattened it a bit to make it into a dumpling. But I don't know. Oh, oops. Okay. So I took a few things out and I just put a card holder in there, my sunglasses. So you're supposed to look like this shape. I think it doesn't work as well. Okay, I can't seem to make it look nice. I think it still looks better its own original shape as a non-dumpling bag. I think if it was the bigger size, I think it would land itself into a dumpling bag better into that. But let's just try again. Let's just try again. I don't know, maybe you need to have, so you get the idea, right? It's supposed to be like a dumpling shape, which is like kind of in at the moment, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let's try third try. Supposed to like press it down. It's supposed to look like that. Yeah, like that on a dumpling. Like if I, okay, I don't know. I don't like the look of it that much. I think it looks nicest as a little half moon, half circular bag. I mean, it's because of the size, it keeps its shape fairly well despite having things in it. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. So more videos coming up soon.